Good morning. Our 10th experiment is application of graphs. Here we are going to see about Prim's algorithm. The Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree. Okay. For doing this, you have to open the text terminal window. For typing the program, open the text editor window by using the command gedit. Then here I take the program name as prims.c. Type the program here. After that, save it and close it. Okay, for compilation use the command gcc-o, then executable file name is prims, then program name prims.c. For running the program, type / then prims. Okay, first you enter the total number of vertices here. Here I take the total number of vertices as 4. Okay, then enter the adjacency matrix of the graph. In my example, I took one graph. Okay, so this is my input here. Okay, this is my input. Okay, the adjacency matrix of that input graph is this one. So here I have 4 vertices A, B, C and D. Okay, so let's see the distance from each vertex to each other vertex. Okay, take the first row as a vertex A. So first row is indicated by A. Then second row indicate the vertex B. Third row indicate the vertex C. And fourth row indicate the vertex D. Okay, first one A, second one B, third one C, fourth one D. So let's see, from A to A the distance is 0, A to B the distance is 2. So I mark it in a graph also, A to B. Then A to C it's 3. Okay, A to C 3. Then A to D is 1. A to D is 1. Next one B to A. B to A the distance is 2 already marked. Then B to B is 0. B to C is also 0. And B to D the distance is 2. B to D the distance is 2. The next one C to A. C to A is already marked 3. Then C to B is 0. Then C to C is also 0. C to D is 1. Okay, so mark C to D. After that, from last vertex D, D to A is 1. It's already marked. Then D to B is 2. Okay. Then D to C, it's 1. Okay. So mark all these edges. So this is our input and this is the matrix form of our given graph. So let's see the output now. Okay, so enter the adjacency matrix. So I enter the edges in a adjacency matrix form. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 1, then 2, 0, 0, 2, then 3, 0, 0, 1, then 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so this is my input. In the Prim's algorithm, the output of the Prim's algorithm is it's produce a minimum spanning tree. The minimum spanning tree should contain all the vertices and the cost of that spanning tree should be minimum. Okay, so here this is my output. The right side graph is my minimum spanning tree. Okay, the vertices, the matrix form of this minimum spanning tree is given above. Okay, so from A, my output matrix is from A to A the distance is 0, from A to B distance is 2, and A to C the distance is 0, A to D the distance is 1, and from B to A distance is 2, B to B 0, B to C 0, B to D 0, and from C to A 0, C to B is 0, C to D is 0, and C to D is 1, sorry. Then from D to A is 1, D to B is 0, D to C is 1, and D to C is 0. This is my output also. Okay, so this is my minimum spanning tree adjacency matrix. 0 2 0 1, and then 2 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 1, and 1 0 1 0. So this is my output. This is a Prim's algorithm. So Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree of a given graph. Thank you.